My homie's on vacation and he gave me the keys to his car, which was a big mistake because I got to get a video on it. And if you see that these two cars are lined up, you can kind of already guess what it's going to be. It's going to be a race between the Model 3 and my Accord V6. So my Accord is stock. You guys know that from if you guys watched any of the videos, because I've done nothing to it like modification wise. And for Teslas, as far as I know, all they have are cosmetic mods, so this is also stock. Anyways, on paper they're very close. Horsepower and torque, they're very close to each other. The curb weight's about the same. It's just going to come down to if the instant torque overtakes my naturally aspirated V6. I'm kind of scared for the lower rolls, but I definitely think I can get the Tesla if we're going above 60. So we're going to try doing a 25, a 45, and a 65. And then I'm going to have a passenger in the Tesla, and the Accord is going to be the one that honks, so that we can give the Accord as many, I guess, advantages as possible, because it is favored against in this matchup. So let's get into it. I'm obviously driving the Tesla and my brother's driving my Accord. Quite frankly, he's a better manual driver than me. He's been doing it for years. And also, I'm technically in charge of the Tesla, so it makes sense that I should be driving it. Sorry, Kevin, that I'm doing this, but also this is for research purposes, so don't hate me. Let's just get into it. All right, here's a test hit. Oh my, that's instant torque's gonna be a problem. He's hanging in there, bro. He's hanging in there. So we did all the runs, and as you can see, it's nighttime, so it took a little bit of time. So the 25 roll, the Accord basically gets walked because the instant torque is unfair for any car that's not electric, because it has to get up in the revs to get peak torque. But for the Tesla, it's just straight away, and also it's automatic. It's one gear, it's a single gear, so can't really ask for too much out of a manual transmission, especially since this car is like 11 years older. And then the 45, it's a little bit closer, but it still does get walked in the end because, again, the instant torque. But to my surprise, the 65, I do think that the Accord has the slight edge, especially after speeds above 80, the car starts to pull away. We ran 3 65s, and 2 out of the 3 the Accord won. And yeah, it was really fun. Sorry to Kevin again for doing all this. Hopefully you don't hate me. But anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we're gonna get more content soon.